Hi guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making French onion soup in the Instant Pot. Coming right up. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Let's go over the ingredients. 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 6 yellow onions. Cut your onions into thin wedges, julienne style. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 3 cloves of garlic minced, 1 bay leaf, half a cup of brandy, half a cup of red wine, 4 cups of beef broth, salt and pepper to taste, and of course French bread. Mozzarella cheese, sliced or shredded, paprika to garnish. Set your Instant Pot to saute and press start. Begin by adding olive oil, butter, your garlic, brown sugar, thyme and bay leaf, saute for a few minutes. Add the red wine, brandy, half teaspoon of salt, and about half a teaspoon of black pepper. Later on, we'll taste for salt and pepper. Let the brandy and the wine simmer for about 5 minutes so all the alcohol evaporates. It is time to add the onions and the beef broth. Now close your Instant Pot. Cancel the saute function. Now change the setting to pressure cook and set it to 8 minutes high. Press start. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to broil. Cut a couple of slices of French baguette and set it on the side. Our French onion soup is ready. Soup is ready. Vent the pressure cooker out and make sure safety first. And dun dun dun! French onion soup! Yay! Now we just have to taste for salt and pepper. It smells divine. I love French onion soup. Let's give it a taste. I think it needs a little bit more of salt and pepper. Remember, salt and pepper is always to taste. Just a little bit of salt. It is perfection. Now on a ramekin or oven safe bowl, we're going to put this in the oven for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now we add the baguette, mozzarella cheese, and the last thing before it goes into the oven, it's a little bit of paprika just to garnish. Just a little bit of sprinkle, nothing crazy. Now this bad boy is going into the oven and broil for a couple of minutes until the cheese has melted. And here it is, French onion soup to perfection. Guys, if you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, check out other recipes, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, thanks for watching.